Hello everybody, how are you? Today I am introducing best seller products in the arts, crafts and sewing. Product number 1, Elmer's Disappearing Farfal School Glue Washable 12 pack. Elmer's Disappearing Farfal School Glue Washable 12 pack. Product number 2, Elmer's Disappearing Farfal Washable School Glue Sticks 0.77 ounce count. Product number 3, Blue GINKGO Multipurpose Caddy Organizer Stackable Plastic Caddy with Handle Dex Makeup Dome Caddy Classroom Art Organizers and Storage Tote. Product number 4, HVOMO Large Capacity Pencil Case Pencil Pouch Double Zipper Storage Bag 3 Compartments Foldable Multifunctional Bag Desk Organizer School Maker Pen Case Black. Product number 5, Plaid Wood Unfinished Letter 8-inch wooden surface perfect for D arts and crafts projects 63580 8-inch. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and check out the description to find the product links.